We were looking for them. We were trying to make contact. We were sending signals and probes into the deep space. We sent them our location, images, and voice messages on a golden record inside Voyager spacecraft.
Hello from the children of planet Earth.
And now, they are here. So the question is, what would happen if some alien civilization attacks Earth? Do we even have the technology to defend ourselves? Are we going to find a political solution? Or we will simply surrender? You are watching Is It Possible? But in our current scenario, it is possible. Because there are estimated 40 billion Earth-sized planets orbiting in the habitable zones of their stars within our own galaxy. And there could be estimated 10 septillion planets in the observable universe, 24 zeros after 10. So the possibility of alien existence is very high. And the fun part starts when one of them decides to visit our blue planet. In an interview with Discovery Channel, Stephen Hawking said, "If aliens visit us, the outcome would be much as when Columbus landed in America, which did not turn out well for the Native Americans. All the big forces in the world will have to combine their power and technology to fight these unlikely visitors. Civilians will be instructed to stay at home. We would get all the updates of the situation on television or on social media. But before starting the battle, let me tell you one thing. These extraterrestrial species would not travel interstellar distance just to vaporize everyone on Earth. They would probably want to collect and research on the genetic code Earth has developed in millions of years. There could be two possible ways for that. Either they would talk and make some deal with the government officials, so in the exchange of our DNA, they would share some of their technology with the human beings. But they could also choose second way and decide to take whatever they want, and any force used to stop them from doing that might not really work, because fighting with such an advanced civilization with the weapons we have would be like throwing spears and arrows at a tank. But if we give it a chance, what do we have? In 1950s, America developed air-to-space missiles, and with F-15A fighter jet on 13 September 1985, America destroyed one of their own satellites. But these missiles cannot carry heavy load with them to destroy gigantic alien ride. Instead, we would have to consider nuking our big-headed invaders. Can we even detonate a nuclear bomb into space? In 1962, US government launches a nuclear bomb into space. Till today, it is the highest altitude nuclear test in the history. 400 kilometers above the Pacific Ocean, where International Space Station orbits today. The blast created a giant fireball and electromagnetic pulse expanded 1,000 kilometers. And since electromagnetic pulse or EMP can damage electronic equipment, communication, navigation, and radar systems failed on nearby islands, while it also baked many satellites. Though this bomb was only 1.4 megaton, and to put things in perspective, Russian Tsar Bomba was around 57 megatons. So nuking our enemy with our own weapon we will face much worse situation. Any electronic devices we possess will not work. We'll face electricity breakdowns even for months. But there's one thing we can try. We can use our laser weapon system. Since the light travels fast, reaches the farthest distances, and it is also cheap, so this is the best weapon we can possibly use. In the recent years, militaries have been experimenting and testing their highly powered laser weapon systems. A recent test conducted by US Navy with their advanced laser weapon system, which focuses 30 kilowatts of power into a spot, has managed to destroy a flying plane. In future, as this technology will develop, we will have more efficient and deadly laser weapons. Maybe United States Space Force will use only energy weapons, and they might shoot deadly laser beams at our foes instead of bullets. So what we see in the movies might be a reality in the very near future. But we also see in the movies that aliens are already here, hidden from common people, but the government knows all about them. On April 27, 2020, the US Department of Defense has released 3 declassified videos of unexplained aerial phenomena. So do they really know something we don't know? Are they already here and living among us? We will consider this possibility in another. Is it possible?